What's up, guys? So today I'm replacing this oil block-off plate on a '08 Chevy Tahoe. It doesn't have oil cooler lines, so from the factory it's just a block-off plate. It looks like the factory one's leaking. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It was about $13 for it. It comes with everything you need, new screws. You don't have to use the factory ones anymore, and these are recessed so it doesn't leak or anything like that. And then right here, I was just showing the oil leak. So it looks like it's a known issue where these end up warping, and either you can sand them down and put a new gasket on it, or you can just go ahead and replace it. So I decided just to replace mine. It didn't cost that much, plus you actually get a seal. One thing I noticed after installing this, I've been driving around for about a week or two with this installed already, and the PSI for the oil pressure went up about 5 to 7. I'm not sure if that just had something to do with it because it was leaking, or just because it seals off a lot better than the factory one, I'm assuming. If you guys are going to go ahead and replace this, I will say it is going to leak oil once you take the factory one off. It's not that much, but I would probably hold off until your next oil change if you're going to be doing this. Leave a comment down below if you guys actually did this on your truck, and let me know how it worked out. Link is in the description again to get it.